I got a package and I'm so excited. I already know what it is, but I figured I would open it up with you guys and show you what it is. So let's go ahead and open this. So I've got some scissors. And so we got packing slip. I'll put that over there. Another box. My favorite. Getting a box in a box. Alright. Let's see how this is gonna open up. I'm so excited for this. Alright, let me take it out of the bag. And here it is. It is Gentle Giant's Ahsoka Tano statue. Oh, it's so pretty. I love boxes. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's see. So it is a limited edition number. I have 1306 out of 3000. So it's got a little card, the limited edition number on it and everything. So just go set that there. Let's see what is this. Okay, so it's got a little fun fold out. That's just what Gentle Giant is basically, and they're like exclusive tiers that you can pay for. Alright, so styrofoam all taped together. It says Star Wars Gentle Giant right there, and then the tape does have a little piece of paper right there that just says 1306 out of 3000. Alright, let's see, where does this tape begin? Here we go. Ooh, so excited. Alright, so it looks like she's probably in 3 pieces. So we're gonna have the base, which is nice and heavy. This has some weight to it. Again, has a limited edition number on the bottom. And Gentle Giant, name of the statue, manufacturer, and everything. Alright. Go ahead and get Ahsoka out and have a look at her. So she looks very, very nice. Everything looks very accurate. Everything looks very nicely painted. There's some weathering and detail work on there. I wish there's a little bit more detail work on the armor parts, but she looks very nice. Alright, so she looks like she has a very nice sculpt to her. I'm not an expert on sculpting or anything, but she very clearly has some muscle definition going on. Looks like they did get all of the little details. There's her lightsaber. And they do have the night owl symbol underneath it. It's the back of her. They did get the little details right there. There's her main hilt. And then her boots, which all looks very, very nice. It looks very nicely painted. I'm not seeing too much like overpaint or mess up spots. Like there's a couple small ones here and there, but she looks very beautiful. And it's, I don't know how well the camera, yeah, you can see it. There's a little bit of a highlight in her Leiku. Yeah, you can see a little bit of highlight right there. She does have some highlight actually painted in on her skirt and on her dress right there. She does actually have a seam line on the side of her dress. So just the little details are very, very nice. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put her in the base. So she's just got two little metal posts coming out of her foot with two little holes right there. Goes in very nicely. She doesn't seem the most stable to me with just that, but she's very pretty. Alright, let's get Morai. So Morai and Ahsoka's upper arm does have some nice styrofoam packing on it. Alright. Ooh, there is some nice detail work on Morai here. Alright, here's Morai. So, there's Morai. She's got some very nice feather details going on all over. You can see that they did do some like paint washes or weathering. There's the back of her. You can see that there is some brown in these details on her back. Again, very, very nicely painted. Even got like the little details on her iron heart right there. Her fingernails. I don't know if you can tell, but her fingernails even have a little like glossy coat on them. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Alright. So let's stick this on. Alright. Let me adjust the camera to give you guys a better look at her. So here she is. She is very beautiful. Very nicely painted. She's very nicely sculpted too. And they have all the little details on her lightsabers. Oh, I love it. Oh, she's so beautiful. I'm so excited and so happy I got her. Oh, I love her. Alright, I'm gonna get some close-up shots for you guys. It's very hard to see, but she does actually have like a little tear mark right there that just looks like it was some paint drip. Looks like it does actually go down pretty far. But whatever, that's very minor. Yeah, there's some highlighting on her cheeks. There's Morai. So I do wish the base had a little bit more to it, but at the same time, the statue itself is actually very clean and doesn't have a whole lot going on. It's not like it's an action pose or anything. So the base does match the statue, I think. Oh, there's my dog sniffing at my door. dog scratching at my door to be let in. Please excuse the messy background. She is very beautiful, and I am so happy with her. Base does have some slight texturing and highlighting going on, but not too much. Her boot armor does have some like dry brushing on it to kind of make it look a little weathered and give it a little bit of a metallic shine to it. Oh, she's so beautiful. Yeah, her lightsaber has all that black details and all those little details like her power button and everything. Her face is a little kind of resting bitch face almost. She's not quite looking at Morai, but I am still very happy with it. You can see that she does have blue irises and a little bit of a highlight there. Oh, I love her. Alright, so yeah, there she is. Alright, so now I'm gonna put her on my shelf and admire her. Ah, she's so pretty. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I believe that Gentle Giant still has her for sale on their website if you would like to buy her yourself. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.